Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your slide decks created by NotebookLM into a editable PowerPoint slides. So if you see that I have created a NotebookLM slides, but when you download this, it's just a PDF version of the slides and you cannot edit it or do anything about it. So let me show you how you can edit it and change the text, and also can remove the watermark of the NotebookLM. And also you can use this on your PowerPoint. So first of all, if you don't know how to create a slide decks, first you just need to come to your notebooklm.google and just click on create new. And after that, you can upload your own files. You can add a website links, or you can also files from your drive, or you can just copy text, or you can use the fast research option or the deep research option from the web. And just you have to put the topic here, and then NotebookLM is just going to scratch the web and give you all the articles and PDF from your topic. And after that, it will create a NotebookLM file for you, and then you can click on the slide deck option to generate your slides. You can watch this video in the right corner front, click on this, and you will learn how to create the slide decks. But if you're watching this video, you already know that how to create slide decks, but you don't know how to create the slide decks into a PowerPoint slides. So to do that, we're going to download the slide decks of the PDF version, then go to the browser and search for PDF to PPT Canva. Then click on this free PDF to PPT converter. Then we're going to upload the file of the PDF file that we get from the NotebookLM. And what is the Canva is going to do is going to create or make a PowerPoint file for us. So it's going to convert it into PowerPoint file. As you can see, you can now download this as a Microsoft PowerPoint file, but you can still see this is just image. We cannot change the text here. To change or edit the text here, go to the edit option. Here you can see there's an option of grab text. So click on the image or the slides that you want to edit. Then click on this grab text. Now it's going to scan the text from your slides. So as you can see, it's already grabbing all the text. And after that, click on this all text and click grab. And now it's going to select all the text and grab all the text. And now as you can see, now you can remove them or edit them just like you want it. If you click on this text here, you can see what type of font it is using. You can see you can change this font to any other font that you like from the Canva. And as you can see, it changes to this font right now. And you can also edit the text from here. You can also erase the text if you want, just like you edit a PowerPoint. And you can also move the text from here. And if you want to remove the logo from here, NotebookLM, as you can see, just click on this and just click on this delete icon, and the logo has been deleted. Now you have to do this for all the slides that you have. Repeat the process again and again for all the slides that you want to edit. Just go to the edit option, choose the grab text option and edit your text. This way, once you're finished editing your slides, so to download this as a PowerPoint, just go to the share button, click on this download option and select this as pptx and click on download. Now this will merge the file after you edit the text here, and this will going to give you a PowerPoint file. And now as you can see, the file has been opened in PowerPoint, and now you can use this as a PowerPoint file just like you used in PowerPoint. So that's it guys. This is how you can edit the NotebookLM slides into editable PowerPoint slides and convert it into a PowerPoint slides for your project. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.